Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest household products. Today, we're diving into the world of dishwasher detergent pods and uncovering what makes Molly's Suds stand out from the rest. Introducing Molly's Suds Dishwasher Pods, the ultimate solution for sparkling clean dishes without the harsh chemicals. With 120 auto-release tabs per bag, these pods are ready to tackle even the toughest grease and stains. What sets Molly's Suds apart? Let's take a closer look at its features. These pods are formulated with earth-derived ingredients, making them safe for your family and the environment. Plus, they're free from synthetic fragrances and dyes, perfect for those with sensitive skin or allergies. But the benefits don't stop there. Molly's Suds pods are designed to cut through grease and grime without leaving any residue or streaks behind. Whether you're washing glassware, porcelain, stainless steel, or even baby bottles, these pods deliver sparkling clean results every time. Don't just take our word for it. Let's hear what customers have to say about Molly's Suds dishwasher pods. Natural dish detergent that works, says one satisfied customer. Another raves, "These smell amazing and are such a wonderful non-toxic goodie." Of course, no product is perfect. Some users have mentioned occasional residue or cleanliness issues, especially with tough stains. However, many have found that proper rinsing and regular use can mitigate these issues. In conclusion, Molly's Suds dishwasher pods are a top contender in the market, offering a natural, effective, and eco-friendly solution to your dishwashing needs. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to sparkling clean dishes with Molly's Suds. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Until next time, happy dishwashing.